Congratulations to Tim and to the runner-up Craig. Time to get this stuff packaged and shipped off. Everybody, welcome to the Shack. I'm Rick. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. And again, my congratulations to the winner. And thank you to those 26. I can't say to all of those, there's only 26 of those who actually entered for the drawing to receive this. So if you're watching and you didn't do it, maybe you should subscribe, so maybe next year I'll see what I will give away. Hopefully I'll have more interest. Congratulations to Tim. I'm gonna package this up real quick. We're gonna ship it out. All my tape from my grandmother. Got her all moved. She is officially done. So today I can relax. And all the stuff that I get shipped to me, I save this stuff because I actually end up using it. So I'm just repurposing it. Put some of that in there. Make sure it sits on a bed of cushion. And then I'll fill it up with the rest of that. Perfect. Nice. But I pulled another name out, Craig Cardiff, for the runner-up, just in case something may have happened, and you never know, you know. But Craig, Tim got a hold of me literally right after the drawing, or actually I think during the drawing. So I am going to, it's your option if you want. If you want to get a hold of me, Craig, oops, I will ship out to you as the runner-up the pick a pencil and some refill. You know, I told you I got extra of those. I'm going to be giving them away, and this is a perfect opportunity. Just because you didn't get the, that's good. Just because you didn't get this doesn't mean you still didn't get something. I drew their name, and to me, if I draw someone's name, they should receive something. Cool. Tape that up. So Craig, get a hold of me. Email me if you want. It's your choice. And I will mail you this as the runner-up. And again, thank you so much to those who entered. This is done. I'll wait to see if Craig gets a hold of me, and I'll ship this out to him. Stay tuned. Again, Thursday Thoughts coming up. So today is Tuesday. That means 2 more days. I'm going to have one come out just for a Thursday Thought. No other video this week because I was so busy getting my grandmother, so everything's kind of been pushed aside. Next week though, I should have one out. And that's going to sound weird. I don't know why I do that, or I try to limit what I say just because if the video stays up for a couple of months or something, it's weird when, you know, it's just, I think about that ahead when you say things. That's why, to me, when I like do the drawing, I will leave it up for a couple weeks and I'm going to shut it down. And the videos that had the announcement of the drawing, I shut them down and re-released the videos without the announcement in it so that people can see the reviews and the projects and stuff. But I know some channels just leave them up. You know, you look at it a couple years down the road, I don't know, just kind of weird to me. So that's packaged. I am going to go in and get it weighed, print out the label. I don't think I'm going to make it to the post office today, so it will be going out tomorrow. And again, Craig, you're the runner-up, so I don't want to leave you hanging. I am going to give you the option. If you want this, email me and I will ship this out to you. The pick a pencil with the lead. I wish I had a munchies. Everybody who entered, I would like to give you something, but I just can't afford that. If I had stickers or some artwork for the channel, I'd give everybody one of those. So this pack, that's done. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shaker. For your sanity. I'm going to get this finished. We will see you next video. And remember, watch out for Thursday. when I have my Thursday thoughts.